Hi guys, I'm Chartered Accountant Gitika Bajaj and I'm from India. And what do I do basically? I provide accounting and bookkeeping services to foreign clients. And basically, this is my first video on my YouTube channel. And this channel is all about, the tips and tricks of QuickBooks, other accounting softwares, and Excel. So let's get started with today's video. And I'm going to teach you how to, write off debtors as bad debts in QuickBooks. Let's get started. So here you can see Red Wolf is a customer and this invoice is pending from Jan and the balance is 500. Now I'm assuming that we are not going to get this money. So let's write it off. We're going to use it doing, a credit memo. Why credit memo? Basically because, the debtor has debit balance and we're going to reverse it. So we'll select the customer here, Red Wolf. And basically what we have to select is the service, bad debt, and the service has to be linked with the account, expense account, bad debts. So basically, bad debt service has already been created, but for you guys, I'll create a new one, bad debts service, and link it to bad debts expense account. Now, in the income account, we're selecting the expense, and that's totally fine. The value was $500 and let's close it. So now we have to, receive the payment of the same against the credit memo. So receive payment here. And, the QuickBooks has already, applied the credit on the invoice and let's close it. Now you can see the invoice is marked as paid, and if we go inside, we'll see that one payment has been made, and that's due to the credit. I hope this helps and you found this video useful. Do let me know if you have any more questions in the comment section below. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.